Class 8 linear equation in one variable. Exercise 6.2 question number 1 part F. Exercise 6.1 question number 1 part F. You have to solve this pair of linear equation. You see there's a numerator, denominator. Here there's a numerator, a denominator, numerator, a denominator. To solve this question, first of all we have to express it in simplify this LHS, and that will be equal to RHS. Then we cross multiply and simplify. So here first of all you see this implies, take the LCM, x minus 1 into x plus 1. This is the LCM. X minus 1 here, x plus 1, so their multiplication will be the LCM. Here x minus 1 is there, so you have to multiply numerator 1 by x plus 1. Okay. Here the denominator is x plus 1, so here x minus 1 is left, so you have to multiply the numerator by x minus 1. So plus 3 into x minus 1. That is equal to 4 upon x. Now we will simplify the numerator, that is 1 into, it is 1 into. This gives you 1 multiplied by anything will be same, so open the bracket simply. And this side you will get 3 into x is 3x. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Upon, simplify this, a minus b into a plus d. In denominator you use the formula a plus b into a minus b, that will give you a square minus b square, that is equal to x square minus 1 square. 1 square is nothing but 1. This equals to now 4 upon x as it is. Simplify this, x plus 3x is equal to 4x. This implies 4x, 3x plus x 4x. 1 minus 3 is minus 2 upon x square minus 1 is equal to 4 upon x. Now cross multiply it. Cross multiply it. So if you cross multiply this, you see this and this will be multiplied. X into 4x minus 2, 4 bracket x square minus 1. This multiplied by this, x into 4x minus 2, x minus 1, x square minus 1 multiplied by 4. Open the brackets, you will get x into 4x will be 4x square, x into minus 2 is minus 2x, other side you will get 4x square minus 4. So here 4x square this side, 4x square this side will be cancelled. You get minus 2x is equal to minus 4, minus 2x is equal to minus 4, x is equal to minus 4 upon minus 2, minus minus cancelled, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. X comes to be 2. That is the answer for this question. Okay. The remaining parts you can do yourself. If you see this question once again, we just see the solution of it once again. Though it is quite simple. Here you have a numerator and a denominator, and a positive sign in between them. Here numerator and denominator. So first of all you simplify this part LHS and bring it in one numerator and one denominator. So you will take first of all LCM. So LCM is here x minus 1 and x plus 1. LCM of denominator you see is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. This is the LCM of LHS. So you see when you take LCM here, so x minus 1 is here, so x plus 1 is left. So you have to multiply numerator by x plus 1. Similarly here x plus 1, x minus 1 is left, so you have to multiply 3 by x minus 1. Then this is multiplication sign, multiplied. So if you simplify this 1 multiplied by this, you will get this, 3 multiplied by this here, 3x minus 3. And similarly, you will get, on solving, you will get 4x minus 2, and here x square minus 1, here 4 upon x. Now you cross multiply, this multiplied by this and this multiplied by this. So when you cross multiply, you get x into 4x minus 2, x into 4x minus 2, x square minus 1 multiplied by 4, so 4 into x square minus 1. Open the brackets, 4x square this side, 4x square this side, 2 into x, 2x minus 2x, 4x square minus 4. So this term will be cancelled out. Both sides they are present, so if you will transpose, they will be cancelled out. You can directly cancel them. Minus 2x is equal to minus 4 you get. X is equal to minus 4 upon minus 2, minus minus cancel, 2 and the 2 to the 4, so x is equal to 2 answer. Now question number 1, part H. One bracket, second bracket, one bracket, second bracket. Two brackets are on left hand side, two brackets are on right hand side. You have to simplify this. So you see, this question, to solve this, whenever you take a linear equation, there is equal sign. You can't put here two equal signs in the same equation. So here we have right implies that. This implies that. So this means this will, when you solve this, you will get the next step and then the next step and then the next step. So we write this sign of implies that. So this implies means this means. So this is equal to 6x. You see 6x. Then multiplied by this whole bracket. 2x minus 3, 2x plus 3. Then plus 5 multiplied by 2x plus 3. Other side similarly you see 4x multiplied by 3x plus 2 whole bracket. Second bracket we are not opening, first bracket we are opening in positive sign, so plus, then 7, then bracket again, then 3x plus 2. Okay. Now we will simplify this. This gives you 6x into 2, 6 to the 12. X into x will give you x square. 6x into 3, 6 to the 18. 18 into x, 18x. 5 to the 10, 10x. 5 to the 15. All are positive signs, so there is no problem. This is equal to 4 to the 12. 12 into x, so 4 to the 12, x into x, x square. 4x into 2, that is equal to 8x. 7 to the 21, 21x. Positive sign, positive sign. 7 to the 14, 14 plus 14. Quite simple. All positive signs, so there is no problem about signs. You have 12x square, you see on this side, 12x square this side will be cancelled out. So you see, they will be stuck out here because both belong to, one belongs to LHS, one belongs to RHS. So when you transpose them, they will be cancelled out. So we directly cancel them here. So as a result, you see this value. Now this is x square, 12x square cancel both sides. 18 plus 10, that will be 28. Again you will put implies sign. 18 plus 10 is 28. Then x. And this is plus 15, so plus 15 as it is. Other side you get 8 plus this, 29x it will be. You see, 8 plus 21, this and this will be added. Plus 14 is here, 14 is here. This 29x will be transposed on left hand side, so you will get 28x minus 29x is equal to 14 minus 15. And 14 minus 15 is minus 1. And 28x minus 8x, 28x minus 29x, that will give you minus x. So minus minus both sides you see. This implies what? X is equal to 1. X is this side also, minus negative sign, both sides will be cancelled out. You can cancel out or you can leave it like that way. This implies x equal to 1. This is the solution of this question. Okay. So here you see this first term multiplied by this whole bracket, then positive sign, second term multiplied by this whole bracket. This way we open this. We have been doing this in algebraic expressions. multiplication of two algebraic expressions. Similarly, here also 4x multiplied by this bracket, then plus 7 multiplied by this whole bracket, then we simplify it, and then 12x square are on both the sides. We'll cancel them out and then add and transpose that side, and 15 this side. 15 becomes positive, becomes negative, and this 29 is positive, that side becomes negative. Minus x left, minus x equal to minus 1, x equal to 1. So this is the answer for this question. Okay. Question number 2, part A and B both are similar, only values are changed. So as you do this B part, similarly you will do the A part. So I am doing only B part, you do A part yourself. Quite similar, only the values are changed. So in this question you see x square plus 7 upon 3x square plus 9 is equal to 1 by 2. Here you have numerator as x square plus 7, denominator as 3x square plus 10, other side you have 1 by 2. So step 1 we will do cross multiplication. Cross multiplying, so numerator here multiplied by this and this multiplied by this. So cross multiplying. So step 1, cross multiplying. Cross multiplying. And when you cross multiply, you will get this multiplied by this, 2 multiplied by x square plus 7 is equal to 1 multiplied by 3x square plus 10. So here you see, when you open the bracket, you will get 2 into x square, 2x square, implies sign here also, plus 7 to the 14. Other side you will get 3x square plus 10 into 1, that is 10, transpose 3x square that side, this one this side here, so it will become negative, and this that side, so it will become also negative. So this will also become negative, this will also become negative. So 2x square minus 3x square, all the variables on left hand side, and the constants will be got on right hand side. 10 minus 14. So here you simplify this, you will get minus x square, and 10 minus 4 will give you minus 4. Minus minus cancel, you get x square is equal to 4. Now you see x square is equal to 4, that means x can be plus 2 also, x can be minus 2 also, because 2 square is 4, minus 2 square is also 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4. So you see 2 into 2 is 4, and minus 2 into minus 2 is also 4. Okay, so x can be plus 2 also and x can be minus 2 also, because both their squares. 2 square is also 4 and minus 2 square is also 4. So both are 4. This means x can be, so whenever there is this kind of a solution here, x square is equal to 7, so we say x is equal to plus minus 2. X can be plus 2 also and minus 2 also. That means x can be x is equal to plus 2 or minus 2. Both answers are possible. So both are the answers for this question. Okay, so see it once again. Here this is the numerator, this is the denominator. Numerator multiplied by here cross multiplied by 2, denominator multiplied by 1. So here 2 into x square plus 7, 1 into 3x square plus 1 plus 10. 2 into x square, 2x square, 2 into 7, 14, 1 into 3x square, that is 3x square, 1 into 10 is 10. So here you transpose this side, it is positive here, it goes this side, it will become negative, it is positive, it goes this side, it will also become negative. As a result, you get 2x square minus 3x square, and 14 goes that side, 10 minus 14. 10 minus 14 is minus 4, 2x square minus 3x square minus x square. So here you are getting minus x square, here you are getting minus 4. Minus minus cancel, so x square is equal to 4. So x is equal to plus minus 2, because 2 square is also 4 and minus 2 square is also 4. So that is going to give you 2 square is also 4, minus 2 square is also 4. So that is x equal to plus minus 2, x can be plus 2 or minus 2. Both answers are correct for this question.